Welcome to Cooking with Lolita, and today we're going to make a granny cake. So right now, hit pause. These are the ingredients that you will need to make this granny cake. So be sure that you have these items on hand, or go to the grocery store and buy what you need to make the granny cake. Like I said, now pause. This cake is so rich that we have it every year. We have it for Thanksgiving, we have it for Christmas, and Easter. So at least 3 times a year we have this Southern tradition. It is so moist that it's, I told my husband, and I've never done crack, I said, this stuff is addictive. So, if you've never made this cake for a holiday, I'm telling you now, make it. Your family's gonna love it. I've made it many times for potluck dinners at church, and just everybody wanted the recipe, and all I got was raves. So once again, pause here so you know how to put it together. And here is the finished product. Well, first, this is the calorie count in it, but here is the finished product, full of pecans, absolutely delicious.